The Sri Varaha Lakshmi Narasimha Temple, situated in Simhachalam Hills, Andhra Pradesh, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, who is worshipped as Varaha Narasimha. As per the temple's legend, Vishnu manifested in this form after saving his devotee Prahlada from a murder attempt by the latter's father Hiranyakashyap. Except on Akshaya Tritiya, the idol of Varaha Narasimha is covered with sandalwood paste throughout the year, which makes it resemble a linga. Simhachalam is one of the 32 Narasimha temples in Andhra Pradesh, which are important pilgrimage centers. It was regarded as an important center of Vaishnavism in the medieval period, along with Sri Kurmam and others. Simhachalam temple resembles a fortress from outside with 3 outer courtyards and 5 gateways. The architecture is a mixture of the styles of the Kalinga architecture, Odishan, Chalukyas and the Cholas. The temple faces west instead of east, signifying victory. There are 2 temple tanks, Swami Pushkarni near the temple and Gangadhara at the bottom of the hill. Temple houses a number of sub-shrines and a few mandapams. The religious practices and customs of the temple are formulated by the Vaishnavite philosopher Ramanuja. They are model based on the Satvata Samhita, one of the 108 texts of the Pancharatra Agama. Simhachalam is the second largest temple after Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh in terms of income earned. Devotees believe that the deity is capable of giving progeny to women and fulfilling the wishes of devotees. Kalyanotsava and Chandanotsava are the 2 major festivals celebrated in the temple. The festivals celebrated in Simhachalam have an influence of the Dravida Sampradaya. Sri Varahalakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, the one and only unique temple in the world, which is endowed with free supply of water from a natural stream that flows down the hills round the clock and throughout the year. The temple, which is located 985 meters above the sea level, has been blessed water springs Gangadhara, Nagadhara, Sagidhara, Madhavadhara, Akashadhara, Sikudhara, Puletidhara and Pinchukadhara. The temple management never worry about water supply as the main water spring Gangadhara fulfilling all the needs. The spring water is used for Annadanam, preparation of prasadam, drinking water supply, bathing and all other needs.